Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate coconut cookies, no bake. So you definitely want to check that out. Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tons of other videos to check out here, so please do. But first, let's check out our chocolate coconut no bake cookies. So let's check that out first. Let's get started. So we have 2.5 cups of oats. Put it in the bowl. We have 1 cup of the coconuts. The chopped. Toss that in there. The shaved coconut. That's it. Okay. That's the first step. All right. So we'll add 1/2 cup of milk into the saucepan, and we're going to put it on medium heat. Toss 1/2 cup of cocoa powder there. 2 cups of sugar. Toss that in there. Okay. Okay, so and that was 1/2 cup of butter. Toss in there. Yeah, we're just gonna stir this all up and wait until it comes to a boil, and then stir this up until it comes to a boil. Ooh, I can't wait for these chocolatey cookies. Very cool. All right. Good time to toss some vanilla in there. Oh yeah, there we go. I like vanilla. I'm sure you know that already. If you don't, I like vanilla. Stir it continually, because if you don't, it could burn on you, and you don't want it to burn, so it's very important. And we're gonna boil this for 5 minutes after it comes to a boil. It's always good to use the whisk, right? So. No bake cookies, so fun. No fuss, easy dessert to go along with your dry ribs or your chicken. And yeah, so there we go. And you want to continually stir so it doesn't burn. Again, cook this for another minute, and then we're tossing to our mixture. The oats and the cocoa, dump it all in. Spatulas are good things to have. Okay. Looking good. Yummy, yummy. Show you the next step. It's right on the tray. So, try not to make a mess. I guess uniform size is good. Okay. Growing up, we used to make these quite a bit, so they were always really good. So, fun cookies to make and really easy to make. They're not hard. I'm getting hungry. I can't wait to dig into some of these. Yeah, I have this thing for all kinds of cookies. You know that. So. What we're going to do is we're going to toss these into the fridge. Okay, toss them into the fridge for about 30 minutes and they should be done. Alright, give one of these cookies a try. Alright, nice cookie. Let's give them a try. That's a good cookie. Just like I remember when I was a kid, so they're good. I want to take 2 and run away. Hope you enjoyed the video. That was pretty cool. Our chocolate coconut cookies. No bake. Pretty awesome. Don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Tons of other videos to check out on the channel, so please do. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.